everybody, welcome back to our channel. So glad you've returned. If you've seen in my previous video, we just celebrated Brielle's 3rd birthday, and we did so with breakfast and a trip to the bowling alley with all of her cousins and our friends, and then we had some family over to hang out and see our home. This was our first time entertaining guests since we've moved in, and so it was pretty fun to just have everyone here, open up Brielle's presents, and the kids had a really good time playing with all of their toys. Isn't this really cute? Brian's little sister got this for Brielle. We haven't figured out a name for him yet. She does have another bunny and she named him Barry the bunny. So this one is huge. We just don't know what to call him yet. My daughter also loves Moana. For the longest time, she was obsessed with the movie. She even looked exactly like the little baby. Just clearing off the table so that I can go ahead and give it a good polish. It was a little bit sticky from just, food and drinks and, all of that. You guys, I wanted to show you, I thought this was such a cute gift that my auntie did for my daughter. Why is it crooked? Oh, there it goes. I thought it was so cute. If you guys know us personally and know my daughter, you would know that she has the appetite of like a teenage kid. Like she eats like 6 chicken nuggets like nothing. When she was like a baby, maybe a year old, she was with Brian's parents for the weekend and they called us and they were like, oh my gosh, your baby can eat so much. She ate 6 chicken nuggets and french fries, and at that point, we had to cut her off because she kept asking for more food. There was one morning last week where my mom called me and was like, did you feed her dinner last night? And I was like, yes, of course. And she's like, well, she just ate 3 big pancakes by herself. She can eat. She's always pizza. She loves to eat. She'll eat her broccoli. So I thought it was super cute that my aunt got her a few gifts. She got her hopscotch. Was it the Jacks? Is that what it's called? Jacks? Do you guys remember with the ball and then you pick up the little pins? Or, you try to pick up as many pins as you can. And a few other coloring books and everything. But she also got her cookies. She got her food. My daughter was so excited when she saw that she got cookies. It was so funny. Everybody was like, that is such a good gift. They know her so well. It was so funny. And when I had talked to my aunt about it, she's like, yeah, because your daughter can eat. Anyways, it was so cute. Here, Daddy, you want to put these away? this is not weed, it's sage. I like to sage my home, get rid of the negative energy. You guys are probably tired of me using the same products, but I refuse to purchase new products until I have finished all of the other products that I've got from my previous the Grove Collaborative order. So until then, you may see some reoccurring products throughout the video. So this is something that I really do need to get more in the habit of, and that's sanitizing all of my daughter's toys that she plays with often. Since we've come out of the colder weather, in our area, I have been hearing that there is a flu or some type of bug that's going around, and I really can't afford to have my daughter get sick. And you know, my husband and I can't get sick either, so I just went through and gave everything a bit of a wipe down. Going in with a quick vacuum. If any of you can recommend a really great and affordable cordless vacuum with like the option for the hand vac, that would be awesome. If you can recommend something in the comments down below, I'd really appreciate it. We have been looking, we truly have our eyes out for a Dyson, but at the same time the Dyson is very expensive and we just want to know other options. So let me know if you have one that you enjoy, one that works well on hardwood, because our whole entire house is, you know, hardwood floors. That's pretty much it for today's video. I didn't realize it, but my camera had died and I didn't get a whole lot of footage left. But thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't, check out our family vlog of Brielle's 3rd birthday. I will link it down below. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.